because of the obsessions, I got into this little casting kit. I wanted to cast some. I want to cast some knobs, not too dissimilar from this, but I want to scale some stuff, do some stuff like that. And the easiest way is lost wax casting, and cast this out of bronze or aluminum. And what you do is you build a little mold, and this one came with this kit. This one's a sailboat, and inside is like a mold of the. They did it two-part, so I imagine this would have been first, right? They put this in, put some little holes, put some release agent, and then it just says love, and then on the other side they would pour the second half. It would fill in. It would give these register marks, and then there would be this little inlet and a channel. Some of the silicone's letting go. So you would take the inlet of the mold, and you would put it on this, and this is a melting pot. And what you do is you fill it with wax, and there's this little pump. And what you do is you pump wax into the sailboat, and then it sets, cools. You open it up, you pull out the wax tree, and then you attach a whole bunch of them together. You put it on this stand. So this is a vibrator stand. You put a little, like a casting flask, and you fill it with plaster. You vibrate it, and then you have a plaster mold of this. That's hollow. Well, that's not hollow. It's actually got the wax in it. Then you have to melt the wax. So you can melt the wax back into here, or you have to do it through a series of furnaces. And then you pour molten metal into the thing that you've made into plaster. Then that can withstand the heat of casting your piece of metal, whatever the metal is. So I bought this little kit. This was under $100 on eBay, and something was spelled wrong, and there was jewelry kit, and it came with a couple of torch handles as well. Just a smoking deal, eBay right now. People are again going through, I think, people's collections, and there's a lot of estates that are on eBay, and there's also people who are motivated to sell. Like if you watch something nowadays on eBay, sometimes the buyer comes back to you with an offer very quick, and I think this was an offer, and it was a pretty good deal.